impact ang loob. We want to improve your thesis. Nandun tayo sa friends. So, kaya kami naman ito, bago. So, if you want to be developing a lab trainer, okay? So, now you have to be specific what parameters you want to achieve. And the big question is, how will you achieve it? Take note of those ideas. You will be data gathering. Eh, isa pa lang, so parang nakita ko yung angle of inclination. I have a question lang. Kasi what will be differentiate yung data gathering for inclination? Ito yung mga solar tracker already. Wala na rin silbing ginagawa nyo. Kasi may nauna na nag-propose ng solar tracker. So parang yung technology nyo, magpasya ka. Hindi mo makakita. So can you...
Sir, for fixed collector, because some countries that have offer the
Hindi na
solar.
sa fix, kung nag-iba yung position ng araw, hindi na sa efficient.
That's why, sir, we will find the optimum angle where for annually they can get the highest amount of solar irradiation.
Depende, kung nilipat mo na naman na ibang lugar, iba na naman ang angle.
Para sa sabi nila, pang sample lang yun.
Of course, because solar is the peak of solar radiation.
Kasi kung kukunin mo na may head, pumunta ka ng pag-asa, malalaman mo na lahat yan. This data is already there. Unless otherwise, talagang parang gagawin ng LiDAR. Itatrack mo per position. Hindi ka na matatapos sa thesis mo. If I move this is the angle. If I move this over there, this is the... Gagamit ka ng Google Map yan para makuha lahat yan. But that will take you years. Parang nilalidar yung Pilipinas niya. If you move the position, this is the optimum angle. If I move this position to this, according to coordinates, this is the angle. Hindi na kayo matatapos.
If we consider one reserve for a fixed location,
Anong bago doon? Yun naman ang tanong ko. What's new then? Obviously, it's an idea. If you put the position, the angle of inclination obviously will change. Anong bago doon? Anything you can think pa na ma-over sa thesis. It's part of data gathering. So, tanggap na natin as a trainer. Ano bang data kailangan mo makuha?
For the different material, for the
Ayun,
like
so
copper.
you will not confine to copper. You will use other. Any idea you think? Ano natin yun? Bukod sa copper. Kasi yung luma, aluminum eh. So tapos na tayo sa aluminum. Pero I'll give you a hint, copper, ginagamit na rin. Or any other thing besides copper. Balik ka na naman siya.
Specific iron.
Pero nakukuha niya idea ko na pwede yung pag-laboratory. Okay, gagamit tayo ng aluminum. Laboratory tayo. Then they will use copper, oil, ibang data. Kung other material, bawa lang, saan mo iron, okay, ibang data. Mga gamit ngayon for lab tests. So yun. Number 2 na, material. So ano pa? Kasi kung kukunti lang, hindi tayo makakapag-lab test. Ano pa data kailangan? Bukod sa material.
yung mismo sir sa many exchangers, mga nugget number,
Number of points.
depende sir sa flow rate. Parang i-transfer sa mismo
Low risk, sigurado ko sa pump.
tapos pero kung parang we will vary the flow.
Sabi mo, mamimili ka pa ng pump.
We have as example same pump sir, but we will only vary the flow rate of the pump.
So the pump will be, what will be the significant of flow rate or what data?
Ano sir,
If you vary the flow rate, yung temperature
yes sir,
will vary.
the transfer from the exchanger will vary, but we don't know how, on what extent.
So gagawa ka ng isang data gathering na yung flow rate versus
The Prandtl number, the different temperatures,
yun, yun, pakita mo. Gagawa ka ngayon ng parang sort of a laboratory manual.
yes.
I-develop mo. Lab manual na gagawin. Kasi laboratory test. So you have to be specific on this one. Sa proposal. Parang nagla-lab test kayo sa performance curve. Paano ginawa yan? In-actual yan eh. Then you come up with this curve. So yung how, you will describe how you will get. Kasi you have to describe. Parang laboratory, binigyan kayo ng procedure ni Mr. Bali. Hindi naman hinulaan yung procedure yan. Been done before. I-replicate ko lang yung experiment. Now, ang point nyo, you have to do the procedure. Para experiment can be repeated over and over with obviously the same result dapat. Kundi yung theory will not be correct. Na-idea na ko na you have to develop the lab manual. Can you expect that from you? The lab manual.
Yes, sir.
The how. Yun ang proposal nyo dito. Now we have we're going somewhere. Ano pa? So materials, wood, flow rate versus temperature. Kaya kung yung angle of inclination yung mahirap yun. Kasi mamaya, unless hindi sila gagalaw sa lab yan, ang paglalagay ka ng mark X, if you do it here, you can replicate it. If you do it there, iba din ka. At so gagawa ka ng post-it din sa makukuha na. Diyan yun lang gagawin ng experiment na yan. Pag hindi ginawa yan, yung lab din same. Marabo yun. So yun pwede ba? Marabo na yan isang.
So if we fix sir the angle based on the
Kaya nga, saan ilalagay?
so we
Huwag mo sabihin, sa labas mo gawin. Pupunta ko ba tayo doon para mag-experiment? Hindi naman gawin dito yan. Sa date.
because we will fix na lang sir on the location of
Kasi
it.
hindi, gagalaw yung data niya. Ginalaw mo yung position.
Yan lang yung i-fix nyo na lang sa location yan.
Dito.
Consistent yung data na makuha.
Sa kanya fix na.
Yes. Sulat niyo yun sa scope. And limitations. Saan na siya?
May glass door po sir.
Kasi si Don-
na lang po yung concern.
Ano pa? Ay, isulat niyo alam, manual ha, procedure ha. Yan medyo matrabaho na yun.
Material.
So ilalagay niyo na rin yung subjective siya for use in laboratory or yung data gathered can be used for experiments. Ano? Parang meron na lang mapupuntahan kung ginawa niyo yung hangin. Hangin lahat eh.
Lab manual tsaka material selection.
Yes. Saka yung flow rate versus ano?
Ayun nga pero from fluoride versus transfer. Sa this case.
Oo. May formula yan ha.
Apo.
Nandun naman sa formula yung makalagay. So yun ang mga objectives.
Pero sir, with regards to the configuration ng mga let's say sa tube sir, leave as is na lang sir, parang sir, parang material.
Ano ba gusto niyo i-configure sa tubes? You want to change the size?
Sir, because
You want to change the materials nandun eh.
yung previous ng sir, parallel lang sir, simple parallel.
Cross flow.
Oh yes sir.
Hindi ba mga cross flow? Tapos,
Tapos we will change.
sinabi mo kasi papalitan mo rin yung configuration.
Yes sir, into serpentine because
Oo.
based on the study, ray transfer in the serpentine is better than the
Alam mo na pala. Kung
No,
propose
no,
mo
sir.
pa lang, alam mo na.
But it depends on the types, the number of the length of the pipe, sir.
Yeah, that's already been established.
So we will only depend on the flow rate.
Hindi, ang dami mong variables.
So fix na.
Saka ako I would propose tatanggapin ninyo, can you do a simulation sa flow rate? Para madagdagan.
Yung
Sa software sa mga
available na pa sa serving
inaral nyo rito sa Mac.
may pag mga
Oo, kasi ang gagawin nyo, design, itatrial mo error nyo kagad sa publication, magastos yan.
may
Why
not
not
naman
do a
po, sir,
simulation
na-
first? Total, tinuturuan naman kayo ng simulation, di ba? Para magamit nyo naman yung inaral nyo rito.
Kasi pwede naman. Best case
Oo,
yung
kasi
pinag-
parang very crude eh. You design it, you public it. That's the old, parang the old procedure ng pag-present pa ng thesis. Ngayon, you have the simulation software. Do it in simulation. Medyo chlorine pa naman yan. So, daming software dito. Ang magamit naman ninyo yung inaral nyo. Yes. Dagdagan nyo.
So,
Oo.
ayun simulation. So, laboratory
Yeah, so that you will have a theoretical, no? Then, meron ka pa ang actual knowledge. Kasi Kasi kung hindi diretso nyo kagad, trial and error, gastos kagad. Kaya nga may simulation, para pag pinaparagin, halos konti na lang gagalaw mo, specific ka na. Then you have a good data from simulation. Tama ba ako? Bahala nang mamili ng software. ANSYS is an idea. Good. Ano pa, yung SolidWorks, meron din yan. Ano mo kaya mo? It show us you have learned something, no? It's also a good test na, uy, natuto sila rito. Hindi yung aral ng engineer, trial and error pa. Exact science na tayo. Ayan. Sa'yo naman materials kung paulit-ulit. In fact, in simulation, you can change the materials and the size, the flow rate. Para gumanda yung lab, oh. At least maglalab sila, may simulation tayo,
Tapos may verify sa
ang verify sa actual. Hindi meron tayong efficiency computation. Ayun ang sabi. Okay. Tapos binanggit nyo to in how many weeks yung gagawin to? 4 weeks? Tinitingnan ko yung Gantt chart nyo, ano ba talaga? No, March to May nakasulat dito eh. Yung data collection nyo eh, March to May. So you will start February 25, you will end May 6 ba to? May 4. Ilang linggo ba talaga?
Sir, for we will use 3 kinds of flow
Uh-huh.
based from the standard.
So for each flow, ilang linggo?
Sir, we will try to reduce it to 1 week per flow.
So paki-adjust na lang.
Yes, to 1 week per
Baka
flow.
hindi kayo matapos.
So, total 1 month, sir.
Ito, March to May, March, April, May. Eh, March na, January pa lang. Tapos na January. Okay. Okay, no, meron ka ng materials. So, iron, aluminum, copper. Example yung aluminum. Already been done. Yung copper, meron naman sa commercial. Pagawin yung alang experimental. And we have iron. So you want to confine it to 3 materials na lang. Pwede rin. Ilagay nyo sa scope ninyo. You will use 3 types of material. Iron, aluminum, and copper. And please take note. Huwag niyong ma-plagiarize yung naunang gumawa. Hindi lang yun. Baka meron din sa ibang school na nakagawa na. You have to check it. Kami may gumawa na sa ibang school. Naunahan na. At nung binabanggit ko dito sa activity, buti na lang, nauna na sila gumawa bago lumabas yung H2O sa laman doon. Hindi, hindi na-propose, itin mo. Kasi functioning. Baka ma-turn it in, malitaw. Intentional, unintentional, that's, I know. But kasi yung sa inyo is so common. May gumawa na yun. Beware, beware. So common yung thesis niya. Yun. Kaya gusto ko sabihin, dagdagan nyo ng simulation para to prove na you really did this. Kasi kung pinabricate nyo na kagad, pwede kayo sabihin, pinopia nyo na lang yan, pinabricate nyo lang. Hindi kayo nag-design, you did not do anything there. You just run this and fabricate them tapos then get the data. And if you run the simulation, the parameters will be yours. It's your original. May labang kayo na ito gawa namin, sinimulate namin. Si fabricate, you can do outside fabrication na dali. But you have to back it up that you have this data outside data. Parang camera no, they film the picture na final. Kung may nagreklamo, ay the same picture, no, labanan, film. May film ako. Akin ko. So yung simulation yung will back it up. Tutulong sa inyo. Good. Yes, so common na yung nakakita.
Sir, so sa simulation, para makikita natin po yung resulta.
Theoretical pa rin, but good na meron kayo nun. Yung wala po dyan sa ISIS. Before you finally fabricate it. Okay? Uy, magsalita kayo kung hindi kaya o kaya. Okay,
Kaya po, sir.
uunang-uo, tapos galing ng pansin, hindi namin kaya, hindi namin kaya. Hindi mo sinabi ng proposal. Pati yung uunang-uo, you have to think. Huwag kayong kabahan, walang dapat kabahan. Kaya ba namin sa iyo? Hindi namin kaya. We lack the expertise na mag-simulate. You ask the alcoholic professor. Tama. Ay, oo ng oo ha. Dito oo ng oo ha. Can do, cannot do, let to say.
Pero kung sakali sir, kung sa Cybrid, parang siyempre sir, we will use other engineering software sir.
Dapat talaga, ano, sabi ng mga nalalaman ko na
We can change the design from rather than the last sir. We can
proposal pa naman kayo eh. So may
we
habit
can
pa kayo.
change. Because sir,
Gaganda pa nga eh. Kasi may simulation pa. Okay. Saan pa? Akap na ba kayo? Saan pa kayo? Ay, ulit ko. Kaya yun tayo last. Ano yung kaya niyong gawin niyo? Magagawa.
Parang mag-save ako lang. Parang mag-save ako.
Yeah, so...
Kailangan mo, i-finalize yung
Yeah, you have to be clear now. Ano talaga ang magagawa na proposal to eh. Hindi yung pagdating ng palit, saka yung aagas na parating.